Video lecture I am going to evaluate limit x tend to pi by 2 bracket pi by 2 minus x into tan x. So let's see the answer. So first here writing the given limit x tend to pi by 2, thereafter pi by 2 minus x, and thereafter here tan x. Now the next is write here limit x tend to pi by 2 minus x. So this sin tan we can write sin x by cos x. Okay, after that the next is limit x tend to pi by 2 and here pi by 2 minus x. This cos we can write sin pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this cos we can write sin pi by 2 minus x. We have the formula sin pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Now the next is, after doing that, here let assume pi by 2 is there, so let y equal to pi by 2 minus x, or we can write x equal to pi by 2 minus y. So this x move on the right, y move on the left, pi by 2 minus x. Now the next is limit. So the next is here. Now x tend to pi by 2. So y tend to, so x tend to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2, y tend to 0. Okay. So writing here limit y tend to 0. The next is pi by 2 minus x, that I assume y. So this is y here, and this here pi by 2 minus x, that is assume sin y, and after that this here sin x is now pi by 2 minus y. So sin pi by 2 minus y. After that limit y tend to 0, y, and this here we can write sin y divided by y. So I divided y, we need to multiply y. Okay, there is no any effect. Now after that sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta cos y. So this is the formula we should use, sin pi by 2 minus theta, that is cos theta. So y is there, y right. After that we know that limit y tend to 0. If you get terms like y sin y divided by y, it equal to 1. So here this equal to return 1, and this y that cancel. Now here this cancel one time, so 1 sin y by y, that return 1. After that this here cos, and y is 0, y tend to 0, so cos 0, and we know the value of cos 0 1. So 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So 1 is our final answer. One time going to repeat, write the given, convert this into sin cos. After doing that, here pi by 2 minus x, cos we can write sin pi by 2 minus x, and sin x right there. Now after that make that simple, y tend to pi by 2 minus x, x pi by 2 minus y. So x tend to pi by 2, y tend to 0, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 0. After that write here y sin y into sin pi by 2 minus y. So we know sin y by y formula is 1. So multiply denominator and numerator with y. So y, and thereafter this value is 1, and here y cancel, cos 0 is 1. So this value 1. So 1 into 1, that is returning 1. So this is the way we can evaluate limit x tend to pi by 2 minus x tan x. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.